In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag icons into your Miro board. Whether you're sprucing up your presentations or organizing your ideas visually, understanding how to add icons in Miro can really elevate your board's overall appeal and effectiveness. Let's dive straight into it and explore how you can do this effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to look towards the left-hand side of your Miro interface. This is where your main toolbar is located, packed with all the tools and options that help you build your board. Among these, you'll notice a button labeled with a plus symbol. This is the More Apps icon, and it's your gateway to a myriad of features that Miro offers, one of which is the ability to add images and icons. Go ahead and click on this icon to get started. Opening More Apps reveals a variety of options, but for our task, we need to focus on images and icons. However, to find this, you will need to scroll through the options, as Miro's collection of features is quite extensive. Once you spot it, simply click on Images and Icons to open up a new window where you can browse for icons. Now that you have accessed the panel, let's talk about how to find the perfect icon to suit your needs. You'll find yourself in the Icon Finder tab. This is a super handy resource, allowing you to explore a vast library of icons. You have the option to search for specific icons using keywords. So if you're looking for something particular, type the related keyword into the search bar. Alternatively, you can explore icon packs if you have a theme in mind. These packs offer a cohesive look if you're interested in maintaining consistency and style across your project. Once you've found an icon that catches your eye, you're ready to add it to your canvas. There are a couple of ways you can do this, depending on your preference. One method is to click directly on the icon you would like to use. After clicking, simply move your cursor to the canvas and click again where you want to drop the icon. It's a simple click and point process that gets the icon exactly where you need it. Alternatively, you can opt for the well-loved drag and drop method. This is great for more visual learners who appreciate the tactile interaction. Just click and hold the icon, dragging it over to the desired location on your board. Release the mouse button to drop it, and voila, your icon is now on your board just where you wanted it. With these steps, adding a splash of visual clarity and professionalism to your Miro board with icons becomes a breeze. Experiment with different icons to see how they can enhance your board's message. Thanks for watching, and happy brainstorming.